Hello guys and welcome to How To tutorial. So today in this video I will show you how to block an email address in Gmail. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, open up your Gmail, log into your Gmail account if you are not already logged in, and after that locate an email from the sender whose email address you want to block. Open the email to view its content. In the top right corner of the email you will see 3 vertical dots. Tap on these dots. From the menu that appears, tap on Block with your sender email's address. Blocking an email address will move emails from the sender directly to your spam folder. If you want to unblock the sender later, then you can do so by clicking on these 3 dots on the email address, and you will get to see this unblock option again, and you can tap on it. You all guys need to keep in mind that email's interface may change over time, so the step could vary slightly. So this was it for today guys, a very easy and simple process. I hope you all guys liked the video, and if you guys find the video helpful, then do not forget to like and subscribe the channel. Also hit the bell icon to get more updates.